Let's look at this question. Consider the following definition of fx. Fx is equal to f of x plus 4, uh, f of x plus 4 if x is less than 100, and fx is equal to uh, x minus 2 if x is greater than equal to 100. Okay, find the value of 50. So first thing I can do is identify the value at f of 100. F of 100 is equal to how much? 98. Now f of 100 is equal to 98. Can I find out f of 98? F of 98 would be equal to f of 102. F of 102, which is equal to f of 100 again, which is equal to 98, which is equal to 98. Okay, f of, let me go f of 96. This is equal to f of 100, which is equal to f of 98, which I know to be equal to 98 itself. Let me do f of 94. F of 94 would be f of 98 again, which will be equal to 98 only. Can you see all the terms that I'm picking up? These are all even terms. All the terms that I'm picking up, I'm getting my final answer as 98. So what will be the value of f15? The answer will be option D.